In this video, we will learn how to add activity timer in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is a one way you can just click on the add ins, and there is a second way. Click on the file tab, click on the get add-ins. Okay. Here you find the activity timer. Just enter the timer. You can see here activity timer. Just click on add, agree the term and condition, and click on continue. Okay. Here you can measure your activity and you can keep data for future analysis also. So let's start how it's work. So I add one activity. If I doing the one work here in my Excel, so I just add here one activity by clicking on this plus sign. You can rename this name also. Okay. Add the second activity. I just select the first one. Okay. First I add one activity only. Okay. When you start your work, you can just start this timer. Okay, the timer will start, then do your work, and after that you can stop. When you want to take a break from this work, just click on this stop. The timer will stop. If you want to close this project, if you complete your work, then you can close this timer and you can see. uh, so you can analyze what time consumed for this work, for this data. Okay, so you can I just click on this close. That's it. You can see your timer is closed and your process one activity name and time is 14.01. Okay, here you can measure your time daily basis, and if you want to paste here, select the any cell and click on the paste data. Now here you can see the activity name and time show here. So this is a help to calculate the timing of the every work. So you can manage your time as per your data, as per your work. Okay, as per your project. So I think it will be helpful to every person those who work on Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.